Rakuten dazzled the crowd at MWC Barcelona 2024 with its showcase of Telecom Reinvented. Rakuten Symphony unveiled its rebranded logo and services at the booth.
I just wanted to let you know that we made one of the, I think, the most disruptive announcement yesterday about Open Radio Access Network. We have decided to license out our probably the most mature O-RAN software for 4G, 5G, SA, NSA, for femto, for Wi-Fi, for EMBT, for NB-IoT. We decided to basically license out to the companies whoever want to use our software. I hope this will really change the direction of the industry. And we wanted to really make sure that we're going to make a big disruption so that everybody in the world have a very high quality, very reasonable the wireless network, not only in Japan, but in other parts of the world as well.
Rakuten Mobile's co-CEO and CTO was joined by AT&T's Senior Vice President of Technology and Network Services to talk about the successes of their partnership.
We have a project called Network Simplification Transformation. You know, we keep talking about Open RAN and Cloud RAN, a lot of the excitement of the architecture, but the real life is actually building the network. For sure, in the size of a network our size, nationwide in North America, that takes a lot of effort, a lot of planning. This is typical projects that may take 3 to 5 years in a company our size. Rakuten were able to show us in 18 months a lot of benefits. We've migrated already from old system into the new one.
We have launched, and there are few networks on Open RAN, but coming from AT&T is the biggest thing. Yeah. So that's in the right direction from entire telecom perspective, I would say. Coming to the transformation project, it's a site manager, and we have now basically deployed in all the markets of AT&T, and we have maybe 6,000-7,000 users now.
A number of significant announcements were also made by Rakuten Symphony and the Rakuten Group. A partnership was announced with Ukraine's telecom company Kyivstar to deploy an Open RAN network in Ukraine, and Rakuten Symphony's Open RAN solution was also selected for UK Telecom's lab deployment. This year, Rakuten International, Rakuten Fiber, and Rakuten TV also played a prominent role at the booth. Rakuten Group's Chief Data Officer was joined by Rakuten Symphony executives as they explored the potential of AI in the telecom area.
One fundamental change is that AI is becoming generative AI. And the underlying difference is that AI model, the way we build AI model is moving from building specific model for specific task to universal approach. In the customer support area, we used to say program very prescriptive dialogue, right? But it's very limited, very restrictive. Now we have the language model that can understand the general intent. It can understand the code, and it can also easily understand network logs. Imagine what it can do for telcos. With all the ecosystem service capability, and we can enable telcos to move up the value chain. Beyond operating the network, offer value-added service such as marketing, advertising, search, connecting customers with the service we provide.